President Emmerson Mnangagwa on Friday summoned Zimbabwe's ambassadors accredited to various countries for a higher-level meeting at State House in Harare, a move widely seen as part of his broader effort to consolidate power and project stability amid intensifying internal ZANU-PF succession battles. Sabina mashoko abuda pangana pachinzi ED summons all ZIM ambassadors to State House. Not to subscribe or like out on the bell like what you know. According to government sources, Mnangagwa's meeting with the envoys, officially described as part of ongoing efforts to align the country's diplomatic engagement with the national priorities, focused on ensuring that ambassadors defend his administration's image abroad and promote the so-called achievements of the Second Republic. The diplomats are in Harare for what officials call strategic briefings, aimed at updating them on political, economic, and social developments back home. However, insiders say the gatherings also serve a political purpose to whip diplomats into line as Mnangagwa seeks to tighten loyalty across all arms of the state, and amid growing unease within ZANU-PF over his bid to extend his rule beyond 2028. All Zimbabwean ambassador returned home last week to attend the ruling party's 22nd annual National People's Conference in Mutare, where ZANU-PF formally endorsed Mnangagwa as its sole presidential candidate. The endorsement effectively signaled the presidency's determination to stay in power beyond the constitutionally permitted 2 terms, a move that has reignited deep factional tensions, particularly between Mnangagwa and his deputy, Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. Analysts say the recall and the briefing of all ambassadors reflects Mnangagwa's anxiety over perception of political instability, both at home and abroad. By summoning diplomats, he aims to ensure they echo a unified narrative that portrays Zimbabwe as peaceful, reform-driven, and economically resurgent, despite persistent reports of human rights violations, economic decline, and elite infighting. After the State House meeting, the envoys are expected to return to their respective missions, carrying what officials call the presidency message of progress, highlighting supposed successes under the Second Republic. Mnangagwa will also bid farewell to newly appointed ambassadors and reassign others as part of what observers see as a reshuffling exercise meant to reward loyalty and sideline perceived dissenters within Zimbabwe's diplomatic corps. Doma developments aripo muri Zimbabwe aiwa patona kuti ambassadors aiwa ZIM ambassadors were summoned to the State House. Pinda comment section medu muzafungura enyi motikudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like chat on the bell icon.